Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start your first project in BandLab. Starting your first project in BandLab is the moment where your ideas turn into music. Whether you want to record vocals, create beats or experiment with sounds, BandLab gives you a full digital music studio right on your phone. So first what you can do is you need to open to your BandLab on your device and make sure to log into your account. And over here on the bottom you can find out this plus icon, that is the create button. Tap over there. Over here this is your main entry into the music creation here. You can choose for the import file, voice, drum machine, looper or the virtual instrument. You can select any of the track types, tools, as well as I'm going to select this voice audio. This is for to record vocals or the sounds, and we're going to usually start over here. You can tap on the red button on the bottom. There's a red circle to start recording, and you can tap on that button in order to stop it. And over here you can also edit, record, add sounds. So what you can do is on the bottom left you can find this microphone. You can also tap over there, and you can also add a new voice up over here, and you can also edit the project. You can also delete the clip that you don't want it. You can add the effects over here as well, and you can change the voice cleaner, voice changer, splitter. And once you're done, you can save your project in the top right, and you can either save or publish. Publish is for the optional. You can share your music with others as well. And that is it. This is how you can start your first project in BandLab. Thank you for watching this video.
I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.